Hi friends, today I will discuss about how to mapping the image from one workbook to another workbook or one sheet to another sheet in Excel. Okay, let us start. This is my master data. In this data I will take ID number, name, date of birth, gender including images. Okay, I will show the demo. This is my output data. In this output, in case I select on ID number, the data will be changed according to this master data. In case I select 101 ID number, the name is Rajnikant, date of birth is 12th December 1950 and location Tamil Nadu, language Tamil and image is this one. Okay, let us see. In 101, the name is Rajnikant, 12th December 1950, Tamil language and location Tamil Nadu and actor, the image is this one. In case I select 106 ID number, the photo is this one. Name is Pawan Kalyan, date of birth is 12th September 1971 and his location is Hyderabad, actor. Okay, let us see 106. Okay, the name is Pawan Kalyan, date of birth is 2nd September 1971 and male Telugu actor. The image is this one in 107. Okay, let us start. First of all, I will take one empty sheet. In this empty sheet, I will arrange these boxes and the ID number is on here, name is on here. Okay. The first, I want the ID number in this type of list type. So, first in menu bar, go to data. Then go to data validation. Open this data validation and select list type. Then select the source. First I want the ID numbers. Okay, select these ID numbers. Okay, then OK. The ID numbers will be displayed. Okay, if you select one ID number, that ID number will be displayed. Okay, then by using this ID number, I want the name. In case I select 107, I want this name, Raviteja. Okay, let us start. By using VLOOKUP function equal to VLOOKUP, bracket open, lookup value. The lookup value is this one, G6, comma, next table array. Select this all table. By using Ctrl Shift plus arrow marks, I can easily select this table. Then comma, the name is on second column. Okay, so type 2. Then comma, I want the exact value, so type 0. The 0 means exact value. Then close the bracket. Then enter. The name will become automatically. Then I want date of birth. At the same, date of birth is on third column. Okay, first select this formula, then paste on here. Okay, now I want the date of birth. Already we know date of birth is on third column, right? Then delete 2 and type 3. 3 means the column is on, the date of birth column is on third column. Then enter. The date of birth is came. At the same, I want the gender. The gender is on fourth column. Then replace 3 to 4 because the gender is on fourth column. Okay. Then I want language. Let us check. Language is here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The language is on sixth column. So I replace previous column number to present column. The present column number is 6. 6 means language. The 6, so I'll type 6 and enter. I want the same result in another function. Let's see. Equal to index, bracket open, then array. I want the location present. So select the location array. Okay. By using Ctrl Shift plus down arrow, the column will be select automatically. Then comma, then type match, bracket open, Match to what? Match to this ID number. The ID number is on G6. Okay, comma. Then lookup array. Select all the ID numbers, comma. I want the exact value. Type 0. The 0 means exact value. Then close the brackets. Two brackets. One is for match function and another is for index function. Then enter. The location will become at the same. I want the occupation. Then I copy this formula. Okay. Paste on here. Here I want the occupation, right? Let us go to master data. Occupation is on G column. Okay. Replace E to G. Then everything will be same. I will delete E and type G. Okay. G2 to G12. Enter. The occupation will become. The final step, I want the image. Before that, I want to check this formulas will become or not. First, I will select one ID number 108. The name is Kajal, date of birth female. Okay, 08. Name is Kajal, date of birth female, Mumbai, Hindi actor. Okay. Let us take another one. The name is Rajnikant. The ID number is this one. In 101, the name is Rajnikant. Okay, everything is fine. Finally, I want the image. Okay, before you want the image, first I copy this one image, any image, and paste on here. I select this image, fit to this box. Okay, any image you can take first, any image. Okay, if I select one ID number, the name, date of birth, everything will be changed. Image will be not changed. Then link to this ID number to this image. Okay, let us start. First, I'll copy this function and paste on this Excel sheet anywhere in the Excel sheet. Okay. Let us go to master data. The images is on which column? H column. The starting image is located on H3 and the ending one is H12. Right? Replace G to H. Delete G and replace to H because the image is on H column. The starting column is H2 and ending column is H12. Then enter. Okay, some 0 will become. Don't worry. Then first copy this function. Then go to formula bar and open new manager. Okay, then click on new, type any name, some hero or some. I will type hero, one name hero. Then select workbook. Then delete the previous data and paste the present one. Already we copy one function, so I'll paste on here. Then OK. Okay, new manager will be successfully created. Okay, as a name of hero. Then close. Then it is the final step. First click on this image. Okay, then replace the name. Okay, click on this image and here in formula bar type equal to, already we prepare one new manager, right, as a name of hero. Type that function hero, name hero, then enter. Automatically the image will be changed. Okay, let us check. In case you select one ID number 101, the name is Rajnikant, the image will be changed automatically. Let us check 101, the image is Rajnikant image. Okay, 101. Let us check another one. 109, the photo is Tamanna. 109. 107. Okay, the image is Raviteja, date of birth 26 Jan 1968. Then male Harba. Okay, 107 name is Raviteja, 26 January 1968, male, Hyderabad, Telugu actor. The image is this one. Okay, I think everyone will be understand this function. If you like this video is useful, please share to all your friends who use Excel. I will repeat once. In case you are using Excel 2007 model, this process will be changed, little bit of change. In previous video I already discussed about this. Okay friends, thank you so much. Keep smile. Jai Hind. It's your Ravi Kiran.